Alright, so we're gonna go over this trade I took today. But we're gonna break down what the overall trade, how this trade started out today. So on the 15 minute, it's where I went for my higher time frame structure. So, oh, sorry. I wanted to see in which direction would the market be going for the overall trend, which is it's creating a lower high, so it's going down. So let me take this out. Where is this? Oh, which one am I use? Just show y'all. Let's just use this horizontal line, right? So the market is going down, okay? We have a structure break to the downside. This is the high. This is the high right here. We're gonna drag it so you can see. This is the higher high. This is a higher low. A lower low, then a lower high, then a lower low. Okay. This lower low broke market structure. The market is down. It's going down, but we still have entry points. Let's go to the 5 minute. Okay. On the 5 minute, this is our last extreme right here. Now, we're gonna look at this one indicator for the Asian session to see if the Asian session would be able to sweep. That's what the first thing I do every day. Now, I mark out the Asian session, the high and low of the Asian session, right here. High and low of the Asian session. As we can see, if we look at market structure, the London session, this started London session over here, took the Asian session out, swept down. So now I'm just looking for a continuation to the downside. I'm looking for a continuation down, okay? But in the intermediate time, I could be looking for small buys up into this area. So this is what I'm looking for all day, right? Let me erase this. Let me come zoom in a little bit more. So the market was a little choppy, a little chopped up today. I'm like, okay, cool. I still have time before the market gets here. So let me try to see if I can find a play up. Now, what popped out to me immediately was this fair value gap right here. So that's the fair value gap. This is the order. This is the POI I'm trying to enter from. I need to see liquidity, which I do see liquidity. I see liquidity right here. I have a liquidity, I have a trend, and I have a POI that I'm looking for. This is my full target right here. This is the point of interest I'm trying to enter from. So let's fast forward. Happened again right here. I saw, okay, this could have been a point of interest too. Let's see what happens with this entry. Yep, it blew right past it. So, okay, cool then, no problem. Blew right past it, came back, tapped into my point of interest. I go down to the 5 minute. I don't see any order blocks on the 5 minute, but there is this wick, but I don't trade like that. So I just went back to the 5 minute and waited. Took a long time, just waiting. Just waiting. Lower low was created right here. This is the last previous lower low. This is the new lower low. Now I need this to be broken up here before I can go and look for an entry into the market. Boom. Market broke. Broke here. Cool. It broke here. Now I could take my order, place my order right on top of this. Okay. Let me delete all this extra stuff. Let me delete this. We also don't need the blue. Just showing you my market breakdown, how I trade per day. Okay. So it's a quick little buy. I could be looking for a quick little buy from here. So my order is right here. All right. Long. Oh, sorry. I take the long, put it right on top of that wick. Take this, put it to the bottom. Target the highs over here. My target could even be this, but I'm not greedy like that. Target to the highs over here. Now let's see what happens to see how it plays out. Boom, I get a tap. Now, at this point in time, it's maybe what time it was. It was like 4:50 or so, like that. Yeah, it was like 4:50 when I started looking at the chart. No, it was like 3:50, sorry, when I started looking at the chart. I said, let me go to the 1 minute right quick because I want to manage it close because today is Friday. Let's pull this over. I waited. I said, if the market breaks this, then we're just going to go break even. So let's take this horizontal ray. Put it right here. The market breaks this, we're going to go break even. Or we're going to move our stop loss up and go break even. Instead of get a break, boom, I started getting one break here. So since I got that break there, took my stop, put my stop right here. Let's just make this red so you can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, I could take this off because it broke here. Now since it broke here, what's the last safe place I could put it? Right here. Now, I kind of went a little bit too fast. Let me show you what the candlestick did. Oh, God. Still too fast. I got to do it at like 0.3 speed so y'all can see what the candle did. Okay. This candle created a lot of momentum. This candle started pushing up. Okay. Well, it's still moving fast. But anyway, what happened was the candle expanded all the way up here until my zone in which I move my stops to break even regardless. Like, if I was still looking at the 5 minute, I would still move my stops, break even, because once it gets right here, it has an opportunity to start trending down. So what I did was, as this candle was forming and it got way past this over here, I just said, you know what, let me just put my stop loss right there. And I did that because I'm managing it close because it's Friday, and at this time it was about to be like 3:55 or something. I'm like, man, let me just take what I can get. If I can get it, if it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump. Long story short, took me out. I was risking $100. I made about $74, or maybe 79. Let's see. Oh, hold on, we'll see it after. And yeah, that's how it went. Let me show y'all how it played out. Market kept pushing, pushed up here. Now where's the market at now? Market's closed, and this is where the market's at. So I think I managed it properly. I think I did the right thing. I think not being greedy on a Friday at the end of the day was the best thing I could have possibly did. Now, my account started at $300. I'm at $879.91. My today's profit was $76.18. Now let's go, because this is a live account. This is not a demo account. This is Trader Vay live. Let's go to a live account. It's the same thing for Trader Vay. It's the same thing. And I want to look at my reports. Yeah, this is my reports. I have 100% of my margin, of course. Performance this week. Go. Out of all my trades, I made this amount of money. My gross total profit for this week was 687. My total loss was 142. Okay. Now let's go here. Losing trades, 33%. Winning trades, 50%. Break-even trades, 16.67. It's a pretty good week. How much did I make? Okay. Buy price. It's a pretty good week, man. It says add filter. Let's see if we can see the contracts. Doesn't show. But yeah. So, I did try to trade oil this week. I'm never gonna try that again. I traded gold 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and MNQ 1 time. So today was most likely my MNQ trade. But overall, man, it's been a pretty good week, man. You know what I'm saying? Getting to it, you know what I'm saying? It's slow and steady. If I could take a $300 account and basically 2x it by the end of the week, imagine what I could do next week. Yeah, just imagine what I could do next week, man. But yeah, so that's what it is. I got $879 in the account. Y'all stay safe, stay positive, and stay out the way, man.